the snow is like non-stop. It started since like 12 p.m. today, and right now it's 11:30 and it hasn't stopped yet. The funny thing is, like, since Thursday there was a snowstorm. So there was a snowstorm on Thursday night, and now there's another one on Saturday night. And the one on Saturday night, this is not like the major one. The major one is Sunday morning. So we have old snow. It's like snow that settle on the ground and stay there for a while because they can't clean up all. And now on top of the old snow, we have new snow on Saturday, and the real storm still ain't reached yet, which is Sunday. So tonight is just like real snow. That's as much as I could explain it. I could show you all the ground, show you all my boots, everything else, but just real snowfall. Move your car, move your car, move your car. Well, boy, if you could take any longer, you gotta take it. Us, this man's still there. Well, boy, he dogged it to the max, bro. Drive, just drive. You're panicking or you stick? That's crazy that I have this whole thing on camera. Well, about 4 light changes.
You take mine, now you think it is fine. Doesn't make me so blind, you just waste a lot of time. I thought we're gonna feel this love, painted with some colors, now you don't. You forget all the memories, you close your eyes. You said we stay friends, but you still went away. What I want, hold your hands till the ends. What you want is to end, say goodbye. Show it out, what am I supposed to do? Tell me why.
Alright, so for my Canadian viewers, I know this is nothing new, but to my other viewers and people back home, let me show you one of the hacks or one of the things they always do up here. So like say we have some drinks, we inside the fridge full with lime in, and it's warm now, but you need it cold. Watch what's happening. You crack the balcony door, and you take your drinks down. Watch it. You see that white thing outside there? You can't make you sad. You do so. Voila. Cold in the ice and it's cold in the ice. And again, cold outside. And you don't worry about putting none in the fridge. So yeah, that was the color tip of the day, and on that note we end the video. This was a snow day in Toronto and the random things that has happened in the city. I hope you like it, and that's all for now. I'll see you on the flip side, on the warm side.
Tell me why you wanna hurt and understand it. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why you wanna hurt and understand it. I'll be alright. Tell me why. Tell me why.